Hi, my name is Manisha Lad and I am Akhil's mom. Akhil is our only son who is 22 years old and he has autism. When he was diagnosed with autism at 18 months, we were not given much of a hope. We were told, forget about recovery, he may speak, he may not speak, and he will never live an independent life. Well, today, Akhil has proven everybody wrong. When we started our journey, we didn't had much from a mainstream to offer, and it was like an empty box. And we decided to pull in all the treatments and resources and fill that box with many evidence-based treatments. We started changing our perspective of autism from behavior to medical, and as he was going on that holistic journey, he was getting better and better and better.